Every day, millions of people spend about $10 without thinking twice. A coffee in the morning, food delivery at night, subscriptions they barely use, small impulse purchases. It feels normal. It feels harmless. $10 doesn't feel like much. In fact, it feels too small to even matter. But what if I told you that this tiny daily habit, something so small you barely notice it, could quietly cost you more than $100,000? Not because of a bad decision, not because of a financial mistake, but simply because of time. Let me show you a simple story. Meet two friends, David and Michael. Both are 25 years old. They live in the same city. They earn the same salary. They have similar lifestyles, similar goals, and similar opportunities. From the outside, their lives look almost identical. But there is one small difference. A difference so small, most people would completely ignore it. Every day, David spends $10. Nothing crazy, just small things. A coffee here, a snack there, maybe a quick online purchase. Things he barely remembers a week later. Michael does something different. Instead of spending that $10, he invests it. Not in anything complicated, just a simple index fund. And he does it every single day. In the beginning, nothing seems different. David enjoys his life. Michael enjoys his life too. Neither of them feels rich. Neither of them feels behind. Because $10 doesn't feel like a life-changing amount of money. After 1 year, Michael has invested around $3,600. It's a start, but nothing impressive. After 3 years, it grows a little more. After 5 years, his investments reach roughly $20,000. Still not life-changing. Still not something that turns heads. Meanwhile, David hasn't noticed anything missing. His lifestyle hasn't changed. His spending feels completely normal. And that's what makes this so dangerous. Because the real difference hasn't even started yet. Now imagine both of them continue this habit for the next 30 years. Michael keeps investing $10 every day into a simple index fund, earning an average return of about 8% per year. At first, the growth is slow, almost invisible. But then something starts to change. Year after year, the money begins to build on itself. The returns start generating more returns. And over time, that growth begins to accelerate. By the time they reach their mid-50s, Michael's investment portfolio grows to roughly $100,000. Let that sink in. $100,000 from something as small as $10 a day. And remember, that money didn't come from a promotion or a big business idea or a lucky investment. It came from something incredibly simple: consistency. This is the strange thing about money. The biggest financial mistakes in life rarely feel like mistakes when they happen. They don't look dangerous. They don't feel risky. They look like small, harmless, daily habits. $10 today, $10 tomorrow, $10 next week. Individually, they mean nothing. They feel invisible. But together, over years, over decades, they quietly shape your future. Not suddenly, not dramatically, but slowly and silently, until one day you realize the difference. The lesson here isn't that you should never spend money. You should enjoy your life. You should buy things you truly value. But you need to understand the hidden cost of small habits, because every dollar you spend today is a dollar that could have been working for you, growing, compounding. building something bigger. And time is the most powerful financial tool you have. Once it's gone, you don't get it back. Because the truth is, wealth is rarely built through one big decision. It's built through thousands of small ones, small choices, repeated every single day. And whether you realize it or not, your future self is watching the decisions you make right now. And if you want to make smarter decisions with your money, subscribe now because your future self is watching.